Natural justice. It is one such beautiful principle which everyone should compulsorily be aware of. In our everyday life, where some kind of wrong is done to us or we do some kind of wrong to others, it is very much essential that we educate ourselves about natural justice. Natural justice empowers us and makes us aware to distinguish what is right and what is wrong. So, what is natural justice? As a principle, it includes 3 rules. If we understand these 3 rules properly, then we can understand what natural justice is. The first rule that natural justice prescribes is, no man shall be punished without being heard. That is, every man shall be given an opportunity to explain his reasons before being given a punishment. The second rule of natural justice is, no man shall be the judge of his own case. That is, when an individual is a party to the case, he himself cannot adjudicate the case. The final rule is, an authority shall act bona fidely without being biased. Therefore, absence of biasness is the third requirement that natural justice demands. So the principle of natural justice has emerged out of human rationality. Therefore, we can say that they are regarded as universal in nature. So, in whichever country you are, whichever place you are, we can demand natural justice as a matter of right. Natural justice are one of the basic rights of the individuals. Therefore, they are binding on all the individuals and authorities, including the judiciary. That is why the Supreme Court has rightly pointed out that natural justice are not incorporated principles, but in fact, inherent principles of the Indian Constitution. Just realize this beautiful word used by the Supreme Court. They are not the incorporated principles, but in fact, inherent principles. The objective of natural justice is to eliminate arbitrariness in the decision making and also to include sense of fairness in the same decision making process. Thus, natural justice emphasizes that action must be supported by reason. They seek to humanize the decision making process. The principles of natural justice are so pervasive that they are present all throughout the Constitution. But there is one exception to the principle of natural justice, which is the contempt of court. In contempt of court, the adjudication is done by the court itself, and the court itself is one of the party. So this is one exception to the principle of natural justice. So whenever a wrong is done to you, or we do some wrong to others, please bear in mind the principles of natural justice. Just apply the 3 rules that we have discussed above. If it has not been followed, then it is a clear violation of natural justice. Thanks a lot. We'll meet you again.